Guess what we get to do today? We are going to go to the thrift store and go on a treasure hunt. This is the favorite part about being a furniture flipper, is that excitement that you get when you walk into the store and you're like, okay, what are we going to find today? Is it going to be a good day today, or is it going to be just, we didn't find much? So what we're going to do is talk about what are the things that we look for when we're going thrifting.
Okay, so we want to teach you. We look for 5 main things when we go to a thrift store when we're trying to find furniture that we want to flip. That way, we just know what we're looking for and we can rule out pieces. We don't get tempted to buy things that aren't really going to work for using our formula.
Yes. Okay.
So what's the first thing in our
Number one.
formula?
Number 1, is it wood or veneer or laminate? We try to stay away from pieces that are laminate because they're just hard to work with the paint. So we really like those old solid wood pieces that you can't find nowadays, because now they don't make real wood furniture, it seems like. So those are always real good gems when you can find those.
Yeah, 100% wood is awesome. We're not saying we never buy something that's laminate. We can work with laminate, but again, we have to look at the condition. But our preference is it wood? Okay. That's our number 1 thing. What's number 2? What are we looking for?
Number 2 is, are the drawers working? Are the pieces working? Are there cabinets falling apart? Are the screws there? Does it need to be, like sometimes if the hardware's bent, that's just tricky to deal with, or sometimes the drawer runners are totally worn out and they have to be replaced. But if there's a lot of work that has to be done, maybe sometimes we pass that up because that will take a lot of time.
Yeah. And time is money, guys. If you're looking at flipping for a profit, you want to make sure you're using your time wisely and not just spinning your wheels and wasting time and money. Drawers can be fixed, but generally for a flip, we don't want to deal with drawers that we have to fix, because that also costs money to buy the supplies to fix the drawer.
That's true. Trying to keep our supply list down. Okay, can the damage be repaired easily? Sometimes.
That's number 3.
Yes, that's number 3. So sometimes there are things that are like, oh, we just need to put a little bit of wood putty into this scratch. Or let's say there's a crack in the bottom. Maybe you just need to get wood glue and clamp it, and then it just fixes right up. Those are really easy fixes. Okay, number 4 is,
can the piece be updated to a modern style?
Yes.
Not every piece out there is going to lend itself to being flipped. You got to think, what are people looking for to buy right now? Think Target furniture, Wayfair furniture, Pottery Barn restoration hardware.
Yeah.
We like to look for things that have clean, simple lines. Those are easier flips to do. Think about the style. What trends are out there right now that people want to buy cheap, economical furniture that has been refinished, that looks cool and updated?
Yep.
So,
and then sometimes too, you can find a piece that has old-fashioned hardware, the little brassy. All you have to do, just put some new hardware on, that can update it. So that's something like, what can I do? Can I take the legs off, or can I put new legs on? That kind of thing. Okay, number 5, last one.
Number 5. What is the price that you're finding your piece for at the thrift store?
Yes, if something is like a $50 dresser, that might be a little too high. Sometimes you can find a good nightstand for $5, and some other places maybe are like $25, and you're like, no, I'm not spending $25 on a nightstand when I can spend $5 and flip it. So you're always looking for the price and how much can you sell it for? What's the profit? Okay, we're at the thrift store. Let's see what we can find. This is the fun part.
Okay, remember we're looking for
5 things. Okay, look what we found. This could work, guys. Let's hear. Sheila, is this made of wood or laminate or veneer?
This is wood, so it's in really good condition. We looked under to look at the label of the furniture, and it is Lane brand.
Oh, Lane's a good brand.
Lane's a good brand, which tells you this is a quality piece. It's solid wood.
Okay. Now, how can we flip this?
Yeah, because we always have to look and see, is this flippable? Is this something we can update to a modern style?
Tell me about the legs.
Like the legs, they're pretty simple. We always like simple, clean lines. This one has a little bit of design in the wood, but that's okay. We like that. It's gonna be fun to flip.
If you see any damage,
Actually, there is a lot of damage on the top of this piece, but remember, it's wood. This can easily be sanded down.
Look at these. Somebody had fun with something right there.
Seriously, and lots of little kids banging the heck out of this one. But it can be easily sanded and flipped.
Okay, now, how much do we have? Oh, 25. You know what? I bet if we painted this and made it all cute, what do you think? 150, 200?
150, 175.
Okay.
Is it worth it?
I don't know. I think so. Thumbs up. So we have a desk here, and we like these striped woods. We think we could probably sand this down to make it have a modern look. Also, these are real solid wood drawers. There's no damage, and they look like they're really easy to get in and out. Just need some dusting. Other things we're gonna look at. I don't know if I'm a fan of these legs. They're placed funny, like they're right in the middle of the drawers. I don't know how I feel about that.
They kind of look out of balance
Okay.
based on the weight of the piece.
So what else do we need to talk about? When
Is
we're
it
looking?
wood?
Yeah, it has all solid wood. I mean, look at these drawers, and it's really a heavy, solid piece.
Okay, we also look at drawers. Check every drawer.
Yeah, everything's looking. Oh,
Oop.
that one's actually kind of cool. This is an old piece.
I like how it has all the wood dividers.
Yeah. Okay, price $40. That is a good price.
So what do you think of the price?
$40. I feel.
For a solid wood
I
desk?
feel like that's a good one. We would definitely want to change the handles out and something to do with these legs. But this is
Solid wood.
Solid wood. We're liking it.
And this could be sanded down and just put a different color stain because it's solid wood, not veneer.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us in our car studio today, where we talked about our 5 steps, which are: number 1, was it wood, veneer, laminate? What do you want to work with? Number 2 is, do the drawers work? And
Number 3, can the damage that I see be repaired easily?
okay, number 4, can we update it to a modern look, or is it just going to be too old-fashioned to flip?
And number 5, is the price going to help me make money?
Okay, wonderful job we've done here.
Okay, we hope you've learned a lot. Good luck
And-
with your new flipping journey. Head out to those thrift stores. Keep us posted. Leave a comment when you go thrifting.
She was stupid.
Go thrifting.
She's the worst.
Okay, friends, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram at The Furniture Sisters.
See you later.